We're live. Sunday, April 7th.
Yep. It's the weekend collabs. So maybe I just get started with that one. The one that I was working on last night. Yeah, so that we can get it sorted.
So are we going to do a new... Oh, we're just going to change it in yours because it wasn't merged, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think he made the comments in this PR, so it's just okay. It's this and so first he said that we move trending artists. Okay, let me just get the comment. So it's so he said we move trending artists into artists within containers. Yeah, am I mute? No. So yeah, so since it's okay with us just merging that, maybe I'll just come here inside containers. Trending artists here. So it did not ask me if I wanted to change the imports. That's okay, maybe. And then he also asked us to move trending artists to artists component. So components, we have artists, but we don't have artists. So that means we are going to add a new directory, call it artists. And with that have trending artists. Just a minute. So artists, trending artist, and now inside here that's where we have explore artists and trending artist as well. And then yeah, another thing he said that we change this to functional component. Is that it? I'm not sure.
I think so.
Just a minute. The fighting over food.
Oh.
Again. Yeah. So. Yeah. So maybe I need to. So maybe NVM list. NVM use. But then I think so unfailed. Components trending artists.
Components.
But we don't have that anymore. Yeah, what's the file?
That should be right.
Components trending
Right.
artists. Yeah. Oh, this in the test file. Trending artist the test. Trending artist the test. Artists, trending artists. Then what am I looking for? Which file is this? Trending artist test.js.
Yeah, but cannot find module. I mean,
Maybe I
that was
should.
like turning artists or turning artist dot test. Is it singular or plural?
I think it's plural.
Plural. Okay, then that should be the right path.
This is it.
Dot slash components to get to the correct path.
Yeah, I think we should add artist here. Right?
Oh, yes. Oops.
So it's not, because now this, where are we with this one? So we are within artists containers. So we should go one up, one up, one up. So we should go three up. When we go three up, we have maybe. Yeah, they passed.
Cool.
Yeah. So maybe it commit. Is the artists. Be on the so the tests pass, but I have not tested on my local. So maybe I should. What? Yeah, so need to stop these and stop this. Stop this so that these can I knew it. So just a minute. So main.css. Yeah, I knew it. So here main.css. Now this one, components artist. Right? And then this one was also moved. So src containers artist.js. Artist.js. Yeah, this should not go up one. They're in the same. No. Pelekea mama. Pelekea mama kupatia. No. Pelekea mama. Pelekea mama. Containers. How should I go about it? So we have this. Yeah, I think it should be this way. Follow. Defined but never used.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, where I changed it to
No, yeah.
final. Yeah, therefore. And I just noticed that courses also had something here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. So the about as well. Yeah, so maybe. Resolve. Yeah. So I don't know if you're going to just, yeah, because this is what we followed. and we have components and containers, and we have artists lists, and then we have trending artists.
Yep.
And then we have artists, trending artists, da, da, da. And I think now that was the only issue he had. So maybe we can go ahead and
I think we can merge. Yeah.
yeah. And then at the same time, maybe we need to create issues about we need to create issues about where is the thing? It's in my Slack. Yeah, to add, we can create an issue to add an image for trending artists, and then another one to add this.
Okay.
Yeah. So we don't attack it as one big thing.
Yeah.
One big thing. Yeah, one big thing often is difficult. Yeah. Faith, you want to create the issues?
Two left.
I think.
Oh, she left.
Or she's still here.
Oh, everything passed?
Yep.
No,
Should I merge it?
yeah, I think so. Uh, um, and oh shit. So I remember that thing. Mm, so we said you come here and navigate to yeah. provide general summary of the issue. I'm thinking, Dan.
Yep.
I'm thinking we should just for this we should treat this as a new component.
Okay.
Since it's also the same thing here is used here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe.
Yeah, for sure. And possibly on other pages.
Yeah. So.
Well, actually, okay. So those cards, like this, like basically this part that's in the Explorer All Artists. This card part, we're gonna make that in with the image and the awesome artist E or whatever, that into a component, or just the image.
Yeah, I'm thinking we just do the image with the awesome artist E.
Yeah.
Yeah, because.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and maybe this should also be its own component, this awesome artist E. Or maybe it can just be a prop. Yeah, maybe it can just be a prop. Because now sometimes it's a link and then sometimes it's not. So yeah, so an image holder to display artist photo. I don't know if that description is correct.
Looks. I mean, what description? Like the add an image holder to display. I would just put a card, just like what you had in the title, because I think it basically looks like one of those cards. And then maybe put that it'll include the artist's name somewhere in there too, with that. Or what? I guess you're gonna put the image, right? That you you're gonna put the image from the wireframe that you just copied, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So the cards should have an image component.
And we should actually name the component in the issue. Maybe.
Yeah. So, and then current behavior.
So we could call it like artist code.
And have image displayed. Possible solution. Component. Artist's image. How did you suggest that we call it?
I call it artist card, like artist card, because it's got the image in the name. But I don't know.
Yeah, but then I thought the whole of this will be a card. Is it, sir?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
So maybe this. Um,
Huh.
how does human connection call them? They call them yeah, let me just steal it from them.
Good idea.
Yeah. Connection. Is an issue we're working on with some. So he said. Badge.
Badge. Oh, good. That's a good name for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know actually, because badge is a certain
Yeah, badge is different. Oh, badge is different.
component.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Badge is different.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Maybe we just call it artist image.
Artist image, yeah. I vote for that.
Yeah.
Matt's laughing.
So create a component called artist image and yeah, and let it display image and name. So and then I upload the photo that I just. Where do I? Desktop. Maybe I should have circled it.
Or
maybe I should have taken. Maybe I should have taken a smaller part. Creating the issue has become more difficult than working on it. So I thought I just created one. Yeah, that. So it's add an image card component to display this image. This image. Image with the artist name. And this card. This card should have an image component display. Yeah, I think this is good enough.
okay.
Yeah. You already did merge?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So maybe you want to create the branch?
Okay.
So you normally delete the branches? You normally delete them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Once they get merged in. I mean, sometimes I forget to, but
Yeah, should be a good habit I learned.
yep. Been remembering lately. Okay, so
Uh-oh. Go away. Go away. Maybe add artist image card. Yeah, photo. Yeah, that's okay. And
yeah. Can you detach it? Or
What does the detach flag do?
Like it runs in the background, I think, but while I was
Okay.
trying, but
Oh, that's in Fedora.
huh? No, it didn't work. But I tried.
Yeah, because normally I do with the is it the and sign?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I see what you're saying. To kind of
Yeah.
fork it to another terminal.
No, like when you use the and sign,
Hmm.
it runs in the background.
Uh,
When you do like yarn start and then the is it called
ampersand. This one.
ampersand? Yeah, that one. It should now run it in the background.
Okay.
Yeah, try that.
Uh,
Yeah, it's okay. You have another terminal already.
eh. Let's see. So what do we want to do? Let's open code here. And actually, under might be good to just run it in a terminal here. Let me do that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
So
I think in the components,
components. Okay.
yeah, that's the challenge with. I think
So
it
the
should go
plan is to
instead.
reuse it already, right?
Yeah.
Like we're going to let's see. Which one? Hang it, where's that? Okay, here it is. Nope. Where's the one you were looking at with the two? With like the whole
I think it's on Slack.
Oh, okay.
Jot. Okay.
So in artists, we're gonna have it in trending artists, and we're gonna have it in secure all artists section. So it should just be under artists, right?
Yeah.
I think that's for now.
No. Nini mama? Enda kwa mama. Enda mwambie mama. Enda mwambie mama. Why? Yeah, so this is where we need Peter, you know.
Yep. Hmm. Hmm.
We should add this. Or are we just going to add an artist image?
What? So
Yeah, that. No. Just a minute.
all right.
And we'll need the brackets.
Oh, okay. Yes, that's not.
So what's the error? Oh yeah, that's the test. You're running the tests.
Yeah, that's the. It has the text artist image because I just replaced that with the image.
Yeah. But you haven't imported it to display on the artist component yet.
Huh?
On the trending, you haven't imported it to display on the trending artist component yet. So maybe that's why.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
So, well, I mean, that's why I can't see it in the website. But like the reason this is failing is because there's no text that says artist image. It's just checking for that. So if we just change this to
Oh yeah. Okay.
expect.
The conversion for the artist image wrapper, we had a small a, or was it capital?
I guess it was capital. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Just a second. And then if we look at this test, trending artist is yeah, it's lowercase. I think it's because I used to replace all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we go into trending artist. Do we keep the div in and
Do we keep?
do we keep the div right here, or we just replace this whole div with artist image component?
Yeah, maybe we have the div to display the name. I don't know. Yeah, because we were having the artist's name and the artist image. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think yesterday there was a problem when we removed the div. Remember?
Yeah, there was because we were trying to do multiple, like, we were trying to return a JSX with multiple, like, siblings or whatever instead of
Okay.
just one, like, top, like, parent. So I don't think
Okay.
it liked that part. So I think that's why we added the div, right?
Yeah.
But I yeah, so but I think this is right. We need to keep the div because eventually we'll have more stuff in here. And I think okay, so where am I importing this from? Artist image is a dot slash artist image.
You need the quotes.
Yeah. Thank you. Use double quotes.
Yeah, I think so. It's still okay because you're not enforcing standards.
That box is going to fail. We're going to have to change the test. Foreign text equal trending artist. So here, trending artist dot text.js. Change this to foreign. And then I think, oh,
Yeah, I saw it. It displayed on your.
there we go.
Yeah. Maybe that's good enough. I don't know. Because yeah, maybe so that we
Well,
break everything down like to their own tickets. Okay, on another day, what we would have done is, of course, we need to add the name of the artist.
yes. Yeah, I think we need to at least add the name of the artist because that was the plan was to have both, right? In this component.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe the ticket to style it so that their side by side should be different from this. I
And
don't know.
we can assign it to Peter.
Yeah. We're gonna wait for him, and then when he comes, we tell him, "Yeah, we've been
Or if
waiting
you
for
want it,
you."
you want
Yeah.
it, right? You want to try it now?
Long time no see.
Okay, so do we use like an H tag in here somewhere?
An hashtag?
Yeah, like a H3 or something.
Yeah, maybe for the artist name. Maybe you can just call it artist name one.
Artist details name.
Artist image or artist name? Class name.
Huh? Or should actually I think
Yeah,
artist.
maybe it should be artist name, yeah, because it's just yeah.
Hindi ka ABCD?
Here we go.
Yeah. Why do you go to the left? Yeah, but the guy who will, I think it's because of the H3.
Oh yeah,
Maybe,
definitely.
maybe we
Yeah.
should make it smaller.
Oh yeah. H5 maybe, or
Yeah.
just yeah, H5.
Meow, meow.
Yeah, Peter will be here and he'll be like, "What have you guys been doing? What kind of work is this?" Yeah, maybe we just leave it as such because we'll sell it maybe in another ticket.
Yeah.
Or maybe you want to try just a paragraph instead of the H3, H5, a bold paragraph.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, but I think we'll sell it and
It's fine. Yeah. Just leave it.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah. What I like about Peter's experience is that he can just look at it and he already has the number of pixels it needs to be a particular size on the screen.
Yeah.
And yeah, you just go and write it down and boom.
So leave it at that for now,
Yeah,
and then
maybe we'll add the image to the PR so that guys know that we've left it as such. It has the name. You need to do double quotes. Yeah.
let's see. What do we do? We pull this out and put it at the top.
Yeah. Yeah. Or maybe we should have done it in the before each. But that maybe will just work here.
How do we do it before? Do we do it before each, or we have it in some other stuff?
Yeah, how you do it in the before, so you'll just do, you'll just have const artist image wrapper outside.
Like here, we just do let.
Yeah, and
This
then
one.
you have the yeah, and then you have the before each. Yeah.
Okay.
The function. Did they do it that way? I thought it's just a function with the brackets. It doesn't take any argument. Maybe just check again. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Switch. Welcome to Kuno. Acha kuswitch.
I thought you copied it.
Ah. It's not gonna pass.
Yeah, of course.
Hey, do not sweat.
Ndio maana wananyolewa.
Hata mimi si nimenyoa. Tamu. Aya, shuka chini. Shuka.
What's the failure?
Received function text.
Yeah, it should have you should call a function on text.
Oh, yes.
Yep.
Okay. So we're good? Yes. Okay.
Hey, wewe mjinga.
All right. So
Oh, oh, that's a pull or a push. Why are you pushing to develop?
oops. Well, I didn't change develop, so it's okay.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah, maybe when you create your PR, they will tell you like, ah,
Please leave.
yeah, I think you have some conflicts. Yeah, maybe we need to add the image on the a screenshot on for that page.
Hmm.
Sugar.
Well, if you want to review and merge, maybe you can just add that screenshot, but
Yeah, I think you're
needs silent or whatever. Add that comment, but or actually, I guess we're going to do it in another issue. Right?
fine. Yeah, you're saying?
So since we're gonna create another issue, right? We're gonna
Yeah.
create another issue of styling this card, right? So
Yes.
you can just add the image in the screenshot of my verbal styling.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Makes sense. All checks passed. Yeah. So maybe we just go ahead and.
Hey. Oh. Aya, bye. See you. Good night. Aya, pano mdomo. Kulu lao ngitunafanya kachini mani. Mpaka mkoe kubwa.
So we have this.
Oh, I just realized I had mine. I had it focused on your screen the whole time that I was doing that.
Oh,
Ah,
wow. Yeah, happens a lot of times.
yeah, I always do.
Yeah, so I don't know why I'm the one. Okay, today I can see it.
Ndakuchapa? Kiboko? Watu wakule basi. Taylor, amka.
Arku. Okay, and this one. Yeah, maybe it should add faith as well. With just to add the artist's image. And then now confirm. Do I want to confirm? Yes, I just did. So yep. So you want to create that other ticket so that I can work on it?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Weekend collaboration. Your pet added a very nice styling. The you want me to fix this shameful styling? No, you can't. Yeah. You can't do that to me.
Huh?
Why would you do that to me?
You have to make
You
it
know, I
not
got two
shameful.
kids. You know, I got two kids.
What is this?
So, fix
Okay.
shameful styling on artist image component. Sidi maji.
Nakuja.
Snipped it.
Yeah. Sorry, I stepped away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ndio chwado nyathi. Ona venye unajifanya na mimi. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit.
You created the issue?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So maybe I just think me confident and check out.
Mike. Laila.
What's the issue number 140?
Yeah.
Fix. So did I pull from develop? So I looked this thing up here,
Mm-hmm.
and they say for div1 we say position relative, then for the second one we say absolute. So I'm just going to try that. And then maybe I'll add this class name here. Div class name, artist detail container. Ah, you called it artist details avatar.
Yeah, actually, I just copied it from the artist bio page. I mean, the artist
Okay.
bio component.
Okay. I think I should. And then this. Should I have semicolons? Yeah, maybe. Position. And then I need to include it here. The main.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Ndio leo na bwana.
Anyone?
Where do I go from here?
Looks good.
Is it one of the it works pull requests? Yeah, it works. So yeah.
Yes, ndio leo ni
50.
Maybe it needs some, what do you call it, padding or...
Yeah. So this guy say many have answered the question. You can simply add two div elements, one after another. They should appear one below another. And then, but if it doesn't work, so check if div have anyway, say 100%. Does this mean they want me to add this within a div?
Mm.
It's the artist image. So they want me to have this within a div. So that we have a div here. So what did I do? I did not move this.
Hey, Chineke meu.
Come on. You're saying something?
Like maybe it's because there's no space between the one and the next one. So if you like add some padding on the bottom of each
Like,
element,
like padding on this one?
on like the outer div maybe. Probably on the outer div or the avatar.
I don't know why it's not so clear when you speak.
Oh, how about now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah, I think maybe on the outer one, the outer div, because
The outer div is this one. This one.
yes, artist details container. So if you separate those by a little bit, give it room enough for the name. More room, more.
Yeah. You mean more of this?
80. Go 80.
Yeah.
Go for it. 80.
Yeah, maybe maybe on the there was this idea. Maybe I change this to be here and then this to be relative. Maybe it's the other way.
Yeah. No, that's good. Now make that padding a lot bigger. Yeah, so see, it's only 10, so it's not giving it much padding between. Like you can see, if you go back to the thing, go back to
This.
yeah. So
But see here, this appears at the top, and then the image below it. Yeah.
Yes.
This is for this, and this for this.
Okay. Huh. Mm.
Hello. Yeah. My router got disconnected.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's someone who was suggesting that for this first this one, image, so we have with 100%. Relative back to the basics.
Do inspect.
Yeah. Good idea, Dan. So the style,
Okay, so the padding, that's not helping us any, I don't think.
the padding, this,
Yeah.
it helps a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, but it's really okay.
Yeah.
Now see, it's making the picture smaller for some reason.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
So
Yeah, I think it's actually should be margin instead of padding.
margin.
Is margin, yeah. I think margin is to put space between the elements and not padding.
So where do we have margin? Here.
If we just change the padding to margin, will that do anything?
I think I removed the padding.
Okay, that's fine. And then put margin there. Well, no.
No, it's just the same. I think it's just increased the space between these.
Yes, which is what we want. See, it's got to be big enough to fit the Dua Lipa in between the images. I think.
So which which item are we doing the margin for?
So do artist details container.
Artist detail container. But this has everything.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, no. No. I think maybe it is for the image.
Yeah. I refactored it to have divs for every
Yep.
one of them. Margin.
No.
Yeah, sort of like it. No, not yet. It's moving Dua Lipa upper. It's moving higher. We do 30. We do negative 30. The change on the litmus paper. So in the artists one, did we mess this?
Huh?
Did we mess this one?
Oh no. Let me see. Let me take a look on mine.
We did.
Yep.
Yeah, I think it's because of this. Yeah, I think it's because we copied the
The class names.
class names.
It's like overriding the rules for the class name.
Yeah.
It,
Yeah, if I understood the English meaning of these words. I will know what to do. Oh, look.
what happened?
I don't know. It looked like it got fixed, but only on the small screens. When you take it bigger,
Huh.
bigger screens, saying no thank you. Yeah, these are the simple things that one can spend like the whole day.
Yep.
And Peter will spend like a second.
You think we should come back to it next week, or
Yeah, maybe. No, Pete is going to be away for 2 weeks.
yeah, I'm just saying because we've already been on the session for a little while. I'll probably have to go soon and take care of some stuff.
Okay, so
Right.
we can. Yeah, I could push it up and just do a PR, a work in progress PR.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can.
Yeah, I can do some research too if we do that. Maybe
Yeah.
take a look at those videos, that course that I got, see if it has anything about.
Yeah. Maybe I didn't read this question. Yeah, maybe we just have to go. I'll create the PR. And
Okay.
yeah, you can if you get something, maybe you can just pull and add it there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
All right. Thanks.
Thanks. See you next time.
Okay, bye.
Later.